Barai na boiga ba Kenya bagenderete kugikiria ibikoru bya bananchi gusaganwa asa matanga na boiga misangirikano niga babwatani balinda mwananchi na barabo besokirie ase ugukwanira ingane iyo gukwana meyo mucho Nairobi nigo bamuchire serikali anene wizara y'uburendi bwaime ase batebire terekerani uburendi buna ebwenerete omurike Tolinet no roboto rwa senchira y'obwekirano.
Ababwatani boigo abarai bakurigia ebirogo bya gesiasa asegemi ya linda mwananchi bagikeire bokongwe bikore byo bosagani ebyo byabeire bikwene kigwachinga kyabana siasa ababwato musangrekano
ndakolete ngora ya nese familia ya Vincent Osiemo olitu asirimo isonde okuruko mapinduzi ase echiro ya Keumbu karusiwe segalime agaituna magena agaitune mete postmortem ya koriru egoteba omumuro oyu aite tunemete nonye tomaeta agwete kurwe segali igoro ende gali eyu aengo tama ekonye agakunerigena ligana likamwa ko mote akagu omotugoro akagunse neba cha kumuita nemete baadaye bakamwire se nyagitari ya KTRH na baadaye chironi gokorero operation mumuro oyu agasira Saturday Margoba yuko Saturday Margoba satano chiabotuko
ababwatani abo bakwana imeyo mucho Nairobi igati yabo Wycliffe Michira uyokorigia ekerogo ky'obubunge kyabo basi nigo atebire igati yabarai korwa county ya Kisii na ubabeire bagosegeta obosari obwo
abantu baminto ndete kogikeria mangana ya koba Kisii county twabeire togosiria abantu baito soria gunism ere Kisii county twabeire tokoenga gunism okoenga gunism ne ligo tebese ke songo nurturing gunism ko tebe abantu baminto abarai bali Kisii county bonspi batige obo nyiro obo bale tere Kisii county abarai nko beka bali bira ebibagwamo eline bita abantu umuntu akwenda amatanga obangero ebibago umuntu akwenda omuyegagete obangero ebibago abandi baurumba ke bikoroto saolingo support baro murayigete na abasoroire tutiga mangana aya yo gutumika especially vijana tutiga gutumika bube au yogo chigotebwo chigoitano mumuro mino oyo chigoitano mumuro mwabo muisiko mino tutiga gutumika bube tuita abantu baminto na indege ntokende osaba bali bons pipa chirega iga tokonyane elinde omumuro oyo kurku Vincent Osiemo ne familia ae enyore a decent send off kubao cha kubanga amatanga nenda barai bons pipa Kisii county na abasabire rero mochamo mwenspi moto bwatesi elinde tokore amangana ya yebibago agunism bire Kisii county
chinga kiechio nigo bamuchirie serikali ase batebire yasinyirwe gwikirania oborendi gochia ase abakenya
wenye walifanya kitendo Keumbu saa faili yao haipatikani kotini and then we call ourselves we have a government where guns wanaamka asubuhi na wanafunga barabara na tunasema tuko na government of William Samoei Ruto. I know very well you are using these goons to win 2027 election. Lakini I can tell you without fear of contradiction, tuko na weapon moja inaitwa kura and we will vote you out. Either you like it, hata utumia kina nani. Our goons ni watoto wetu. Mtoto wenyu hautaona kwa guna kwa barabara hata mmoja wanaenda kupigia watu mawe. Saa hii watoto wetu ndo unatumika kama goon. Ule mbunge wa uko Keumbu huyo jamaa alisamoniwa na hajaenda, alafu bado tunasema tuko na inchi na huyu mtu ameua mpaka mtu akakufa. It is really unfortunate, but we are telling you, come rain come shine, goonism must stop.
Women are most affected by the goonism that is happening today. Women are the largest people who do the small scale. They are the small scale traders and they're the most affected. Like today, a majority again are not coming out to go and feed for their families. Goonism has taken our country into the books that we never thought we would be here. And we are calling out the IG and all the police and all the structures that are required to come out and condemn this strongly.
Bono nigo batebire okuborwa kuborendi nigo kwabeire enarero imeyense asebarure inse ya matuko emerongene na 53 gochia aso Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo kwenekia abanyanyimbo bari bagostoka aso bosari kwemukorigwa bare egetambukero kierichiko.
The case of Ososi the current Vihiga senator. Up to now, we've never been told where that investigation reached and who was arrested and actually who got the consequence of doing the same.
Therefore, demand as follows. Number one, that the Inspector General of Police, the Directorate of Criminal Investigation, and all relevant security agencies must investigate, arrest, and prosecute not only the goons on the ground, but also the financiers, the recruiters, transporters, coordinators, and political beneficiaries behind them.
Ngoripoteria en Soko TV, Editoriane Linet Nyambane.